Hi,
doing good. Hi, how are you?
I'm all fine.
Great. So let's start the class today. Just give me a moment. Yeah, I'll be back. Okay. All right, yeah. So can you tell me what did you do on New Year's Eve? Happy New Year. What did you
Happy
do?
birthday to you. Can you please repeat your question?
Yes, how did you celebrate New Year?
Right now at 12 o'clock, we were just playing and we cut the cake and we had a lot of fun. Now in the morning, we are just doing some new things so that our whole year goes well. So that's now let's see what will happen in the night.
Okay. So what else did you do? Did you call your friends as well and your
No,
cousins? Oh,
my cousins are not here. They are living some at somewhere. So at my home, my cousins, like they're not my siblings. They're my cousins. They came and like they live only at my home only. So we enjoyed it.
okay. All right, yeah. So can you tell me let's start a topic, okay? So can you tell me about your best friend and I want you to talk about your best friend for 10 minutes. Tell me how you spend your time with her or him and how do they make you feel? How do they help you in studies or so all these things.
So if you are talking about my best friend, so I will say that my best friend is my mom. And so I will talk about her, my parents. Okay. So, my mother and father, they both are too much friendly. They help me in a lot of work. And I'm so happy. I'm so blessed from God to have my mother and father. They are so happy. They are so like funny, so enjoyment. They are so, like, they always entertain me. If I am sad, they tell me, they give me motivations, and they also they take care of me, they give me food. My moms make a delicious food, and my father is also brave, and he's so much happy with me. And so there are many things that I can tell about my mother and father, but I will say that if my best friends is my mother and father, because they're so good, and I feel like when I am with them, I feel that I they are my best friends, and I think so. If there is your mother and father, then you should be so much happy living with them, because some people don't have their mother, some people don't have their father. So some children say that my mother is very bad, that, but your mother beats you when you are doing some bad work. She's only telling you to do some things, but you are not listening, so what can she do? But your mother and father is the best friend, I think so.
That's wonderful, dear. Beautifully put. Okay. So now let's play a game. All right. I'll say few words and you will create sentences with it. Okay.
Of course.
So let's say a memorable day.
Today is a memorable day because we were having a lot of fun. We did some parties with my cousins and my mother, father, my parents, my family members.
Okay. And let's say trees.
Can you please pardon?
Tree, tree.
Tree.
Yes, you can say some, for example, save trees, save nature. So similarly, you can just make sentences with it.
You should save tree because you must save tree because they give us paper, and if we cut all the trees, then maybe we will have no trees.
No trees. They give us oxygen, and due to that, we are able to breathe. And if we
Yeah,
just cut all the trees, where would all the wild animals would go? Isn't
yeah,
it?
yeah. It's true.
Okay. So now, my dream. What is my dream?
My dream. My dream is to become an IS officer.
An IAS officer.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Why do you want to become an IAS officer?
It is my literal. So if you are talking that it was my parents, like they also said me to you have to be an IS officer, and it was also my dream, and I am passionate about it.
Okay, dear. That's wonderful to know. Now let's see. Let's pick up another topic. Let's say good manners. Do you think good manners are important?
Yeah, they are too much important.
Okay, so can you tell me a little bit about it?
Some good manners.
Yes, good
Okay,
manners.
so like if we are doing some mess, we have to clean those mess. We should never like do bad touch, and also we have to be good and kind and polite with other peoples. We should help the needy peoples, and we should also help the blind and many peoples. We should help our mother and father in their work and etc.
Great, yeah. Now talk about my favorite food.
um like in junk food or like vegetables that we eat at home.
Anything that is your favorite.
Okay, I will tell you about junk food. So it is momos.
Okay.
Yeah,
All right. Why do you like momos?
like they're so soft and they have the veggies inside it. Whenever I eat it with the chutney, it's so great.
Okay.
And it's also too much yummy.
And now I want you to talk about my favorite subject for at least a few minutes. Let's say 5 minutes.
My favorite subject, it's science. Like because in my science, my teacher is so great. Like she tells us in another way that we can understand it by our own. She tells us like practically. She will tell like this is a thing, and you have to do it like this, then this is the science. So she always tell us. So in my science, I get very good marks. Sometimes out of 100, I get 98, and I also have good marks in science. I love the science subject because the chapters are so easy, and it also talks about like plants, animals, and they're so interesting to read because when we read in science, we have to just read, and the answer will come out by their own. So most of the times, my teacher and said us like this chapter she taught us, and she will say us to write the questions from the books. So we write it by our own because like whenever we read a chapter in science, we read it by our heart, and it's also too easy because they're about plants, animals, and it's so interesting to read. Like I didn't know that butterflies taste their taste by their feet. I didn't know that. In science I learned, and I learned about more insects, more plants. So I learned about that plant that whenever we touch it, it gets like it closes its mouth, and that kind of other plants, more like that plants that I have also not heard about. That plant I read in that my science book. So that's why I love the science.
Absolutely, dear. Absolutely. Now, can you tell me about your best day in school?
My best day in my school. Mm, it was on Children's Day. No, 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 no. At Children's Day, we had a lot of fun, but on Diwali and Children's Day, it was a best day because in the Diwali, like when our teachers never dance. On that day, we all gathered, all the teachers gathered, and they danced. Like we were having so much fun on Diwali, and we also had a lot of fun because on Diwali we don't go to school. Like um and yesterday of Diwali is yesterday, we did that all things with all our teachers, all of students, and we were just dancing over. And we also had a lot of games because that day it was a little, we did a little study because it was all being Diwali preparations, and we were doing so much fun. And it was also some making the crafts like don't games diyas you have to decorate that. And in Children's Day, like our teachers make the stalls, and we had to take 500, or how much money you have to take, and then you have to give it to your teacher. Your teacher will take give you the coupons, and then from those coupons you have to eat foods and buy the foods because all the teachers made their own stalls and they make the best food.
Oh, wow. Must
It
have
is
been
so
a
much
lot of
fun. Yeah.
fun. So, now, do you have a pet in your house?
No,
Do
I
you?
had, there was a fish, but one by one it died because like one day I was giving the food to the fish. I was going somewhere, so my brother came and he took those things and the fish foods. Accidentally I was giving the food, and accidentally from my hand it fall down too much inside that pot. I thought that nothing will happen. I went. After that, when I came, I saw so many fishes were dying. Two fish died, and I was having five fishes. There were only three fishes were left. Two fishes died, and the next day, one more fish died. After that, two fishes were left. I don't know. One fish was like she was a female one, so she was giving the baby, but like we have to do something to get the babies out. So I didn't do that. After 2 days, she died, and only one was left. Then he also died.
Oh, that is very sad.
Yeah,
So, if you want to keep a pet, which one would you want to keep?
I thought that I will this time on my birthday I will take a pet of. It will be a puppy.
A puppy.
Yeah,
Okay, that's
they're so
wonderful.
cute.
Okay. Um, when is your birthday?
My birthday is on 11th May.
11 May. Okay.
Yeah.
Can you tell me your most enjoyable birthday?
Enjoyable birthday. Every birthday is enjoyable for me. There's no specific birthday that I am enjoying it too much.
So, can you tell me one particular one where you feel it was very remarkable for you to even
Yeah.
remember?
Let me remember it. Yeah, I got it. Like on that day, like at my home, we only do this preparations. We only celebrate with our whole family. No friends comes, but on that day, my bua, she came because she lives far from the very UP. So she came and she lives in Lucknow. Yeah, she lives in Lucknow. So now that time she came, and then we had a lot of fun with her.
Oh, that's wonderful. Hmm. So, Yes. So with this, I would like to tell you that your your command over language is good, dear. You just need to practice a little bit more so that you become more fluent in it. Okay. And yeah, so that is pretty much it. With it, I will bid you farewell. Have a good have a good day and take care, dear.
Okay. Bye.
Bye bye.